Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome back to lesson JAZ.1.5 on the pentatonic and blues scales. So these are more scales that we'll commonly encounter when in jazz melodies and improvisation. So technically, a pentatonic scale would just be any scale that has 5 notes, but if you just say pentatonic scale without any further clarification, people are going to assume you're talking about this one. And a fancy music word would be an anhemitonic scale, which means no half steps. So major pentatonic, we just take out 4 and 7 because 3 to 4 is a half step, 7 to 1 is a half step. So just take them out. That's fine. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. This is a scale that's common to many cultures, and you'll often use this as a safe start to improvisation. This is very common in the Orff tradition with elementary general music, where you just literally take some bars off of your xylophones or whatever instruments you have, and then you don't have any dissonances. You don't have the most dissonant you could get would be a major second. Yeah. Minor pentatonic would be the same thing, but starting on what is 6 up here, so you could do that relative. 6, 1, sorry, 6, 1, 2, 3, 5. 3, 2, 1, 6, or do it parallel. 1, 3, 4, 5, left, 5, 4, 3, 1. A blues scale is very similar to this parallel minor pentatonic, but we just add one more note, which is a half step. Could be notated as sharp 4 or as flat 5, depending on which way the melody is going. 1, 3, 4, short 5, flat 1, 1, flat 5, fly 4, flee 1. The flee, the flive, and the flev, we call them blue notes, and this gives the scale its characteristic sound. If you're playing on an instrument that can adjust pitch, like a wind instrument or a string instrument, not like a keyboard instrument, then there's typically some variation in the intonation of these notes. It would be somewhere between flat 3 and 3 on a piano, or between 5 and 5, or between flev and sev. The intonation doesn't quite settle into our equal temperament. So that's what we got here. One more lesson on scales coming up after this. See you next time.